A lot of time our clients, when they buy their drapery packages, they always ask me, Steve, how do I go about dressing it? And this is the video that we're going to speak about how to go about doing that. So when it comes to your swags, what we usually recommend doing is starting from this end, spreading out the fabrics about 2 inches apart. This is where the wire is, so just go ahead and pinch the fabric and sort of space it out 2 inches apart from one another and create a fold. And you can do this by just using your hand, putting it in the back, by creating that fold on the back, just like the way I have done these with these already. Now, once you have done that on this side, what you want to do is you want to use these other 2 fingers of yours this way and kind of carry that and create a fold all the way from the end of the fabric, all the way in the end, and then sort of pull that line out. As you can see how I am doing these here, I'm using my fingers to create those folds. Once those folds are created, I have the fold come in and meet in the middle. I do the same thing on this end and I meet them in the middle. Then here it is. This is all I have to do now is pretty much once I got that guide going, I've got my fabrics laid out, and then now I have a nice, beautiful center swag going on.